Oh my goodness, what is happening? Okay, I am in. Woo!
Hey man, you know what time it is? It's 5
Oh, well, why is that thing moving so fast? Um, welcome in the corner here. Look, my sword. I get the fire sword.
Okay, Nico. I tired him out, but maybe we can take care. Really?
Next thing I'm buying is a new RPG, like maybe like this one. Yeah, cause this is more cheap. No, this is more cheap. I'm buying this one because this one's more cheaper than this
Hey,
one.
Nico.
No, no exception.
I never mean to say
So what's my thing? Love whatever. I actually don't care. Game on it. Oh, lava, yes. Maybe it was voted first. Mm-hmm.
only way to play demon was not to defeat it.
Bam! Oh! Oh, I'm losing, so it means I have to go for green. Green for Granny Smith apples. Ah! Okay, blow hole. Ah! My bloody hoodie and sword is gone. I'm in green base. So, oh snap. Bam, B-I-N-G-O. So, boom. What the? Cause I'm a pimp. Perfect. Click. This is the last one. If the same float, I swear. If the same float, I swear. Nope, not floating. Woo! What the temple! One a green base gone. I know adding it to the car.
The time is always on my side.
Yeah.
Stay by the end, learn the pattern, aim for the guy with the fabulous hair.
Let's do this.
Ah!
What's the pattern?
Got it.
Oh, stupid green. Let's go! Woo! What are you doing? What the shit? Aerial attack! I can't say. Stop it. Our base didn't do anything.
Sure, now say you have peaches of your
Mr. Younger. No. No!
Since there was obviously no way out,
Foolish!
I just
Very foolish. Oh no, you got to be joking. Oh, response. Yeah. Oh my, I hate being on fire, bro. What? I flipped and now I'm dead. Oh my god. Judge! What? Who the is this movie? Imagine. You get set him on fire.
Indicated that means that the knockoff we just bought must have been like fake. I think the way.
Everything like that I
Oh, and then she walking by. You going to play Call of Duty now?
You're right. I should think about comfort. Snap out of it. We need to meet up and get something on. You know that. Those are so at spiky walls.
Oh, I wish I can kill you. This is oh boy.
There. It's not very simple. Quick, climb the gears.
Yeah.
Knockoff's dialogue is finally making some sense.
Who said what? Who said who?
You're a genius. Well, now
Together on three.
How old is the boy? He's 13. Read it, sir. Oh my goodness.
I've got an idea. Hang on.
Read it, sir.
Consider me. Okay, put the other one.
Yeah.
Find a real countdown clock.
Yeah. He want friends. He want friends. He want friends to play with. Woo! I'm glad I buy this thing. Even though I have 150. No, I let it blow this thing and make bombs. Oh no. Where? Yeah. Usando. Think about. Oh my! I charged hell as my teammates. Oh my god, that scared the out of me. Gearbell, I get it fire sword. Not too much, like 100 something, right? 1,000, I mean. 1,000 or something. 1,000 something, man. Can't remember. Yeah, it's in the store. Gabriel, 1 a year. Ah, mommy! I can't see nothing. I coming back. You think I done? I got fire sword better. This sword more better than your sword, I think. Gabriel coming back. Think I done? Think I done? Coming. Wham. The fire sword OP. Oh my god, my game. You sword. What's your sword? What's your sword? Your sword is a what? Yeah, no. What's your sword? Your sword is a what? Original? Does the name? Meeting is no, what's the rarity? Like what's the rarity? My thing is awesome. Ah, I just got half. You didn't kill me. Ger Gerbel, how much you pay? Gerbel, what's the name of the sword? What's the name of the sword? Alright. It named Shadow Blade. It named Shadow Blade. Wow, fireworks launcher. Rare. What's my... Yeah? Yeah. Yeah, Gerbel, what's your rarity of your thing? How you don't know what's your sword? Just go in your inventory. Go in your inventory and it show your rarity of it. Awesome and all that. Just then go in the thing then. Wait, what's somebody there behind me? Where the green thing come from? Oh. Oh my god, I almost killed somebody. And I almost did. Oh! Wait, it's the same person just now. Jump again, jump again, jump again, jump again. Shoot now? And shoot the other again. May I ask why? I'm gonna build a good thing. I don't know why I'm doing. I'm just doing this for some reason. I don't know. I have no clue why am I doing this. Oh my! Destroy them on! Oh my goodness! Oh shoot! That was a flamethrower. How he hit me from true? Oh no! I gave them a. Yeah, I know. I wanted to be unaffected, so I could come for you. La la la. Where are you, there, babe? Ah! I didn't even see them. Actually, you know what? Where's my ball? I need a ball. Woo! Onto you, I just scream. Where are you going? Where's this person going? This person going somewhere that I don't know. I'm nice. I want French. Can I have French? Wait, don't tell me the block of the end. One, I eat one today. You ain't getting infected today. One. Lying, you're lying. You don't talk. Oh my god. Wait, what? This person is not part of my teammate. So I died then. Loser. Be a zombie. And you will enter freedom. You shall see the world if you join me. Gabriel, you there? You're unaffected, huh? Oh, hello, Gabriel. Yeah, nope, I catch you. I catch you. Look, it said Black X on KO. You. Okay, guys, I think this is the end. So